how to see your Apple ID password on iPhone. In this video, we're going to see how to find your Apple ID password on your iPhone. If you can't find it, I'll also show you how to change it. First, swipe down on your iPhone and search for Passwords. Open the Passwords app and authenticate with Face ID or your passcode. Tap All, then use the search bar and search for Apple. If your Apple account password is saved, tap the Apple entry associated with your email address. You'll be able to see your username and saved password. Tap the password if you want to copy it. If you don't find your Apple password there, you can also check Google Chrome. Open Chrome on your iPhone and tap the three dots at the bottom right corner. Find and select Password Manager, then authenticate with Face ID. Use the search option and type Apple. If your password was previously saved in Chrome, tap the Apple entry to view the saved username and password. If you still can't find your password in either location, you can change your Apple account password without knowing the old password. Open Settings, tap your name at the top, then select Sign In and Security. Tap Change Password. Your iPhone may ask you to enter the password you use to unlock the device. After verifying your identity, enter a new password and confirm it. Make sure your new password meets Apple's password requirements. Once you finish, the new password will be associated with your Apple account. If you found this helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.